Agility back systems from Roho. Strong, adjustable, comfortable. Agility is designed to accommodate virtually any client and wheelchair. Agility offers a variety of contours, material configurations, and hardware options, so you can tailor the back to feel like a custom fit. Agility's patented hardware is proven to be stronger than any other backrest on the market. Plus, Agility is the only option that offers Roho's air flotation technology, delivering a more comfortable positioning backrest, resulting in increased sitting time and tolerance. There are multiple options available for Agility. Depending on the individual's needs, you will select from the following hardware options. Quick release, designed to make back removal for transport and storage quick and easy. Fixed, ideal for people who rarely remove Agility from their chair. The selected hardware option will determine your installation process. The Agility back should be adjusted to the correct width and already installed onto the wheelchair prior to adjusting the height. Make sure wheelchair wheels are locked. Agility safety locks are in the locked position if adjusting quick release hardware, and that all hardware is securely tightened before the individual is seated in the chair. Loosen the width and height adjustment nuts from the equivalent of less than 2 full rotations from a tight position. The nut should be just loose enough to allow the width and height adjustment plate to slide up and down. Slide the back shell up and down in the vertical slots until the desired height is achieved. In the sliding height adjustment bar, count the number of square slots that are visible through the vertical slots in the back shell to make sure that the left and right back shell hardware are in the same position. Tighten the nuts on the width and height adjustment bolts with the box end wrench until snug, plus a quarter turn. Once adjustment is complete, make sure all hardware is securely tightened. The height, depth, and angle can all be adjusted with the client in the chair. Loosen the nuts on the width and height adjustment bolts with the provided wrench from the equivalent of less than 2 full rotations from a tight position. Slide the back shell up and down in the vertical slots until the desired height is achieved. Tighten the nuts on the width and height adjustment bolts with a box end wrench until snug, plus a quarter turn. With the Agility back system, you can also adjust the depth and angle to ensure the best possible fit. Loosen the left and right depth adjustment angle bolts with the Allen wrench. 2 to 3 full rotations to adjust the seat depth. 1 to 2 full rotations to adjust the angle only. To adjust the seat depth, slide the back shell forward or backward to the desired depth. Make sure the depth positions on the left and right sides are equal by comparing the markers on the top of the triangle brackets. To adjust the angle, pivot the back shell anterior or posterior until the desired angle is achieved. Tighten the right and left depth and angle adjustment bolts with the Allen wrench until snug, plus a quarter turn. Clamp it, tighten it, and you're done. Roho Agility back systems are the perfect blend of innovative features, giving wheelchair users comfortable support without sacrificing function.